guys, so I was actually recording this video and luckily I didn't get too far, but I wasn't speaking and I realized that I actually want to actually speak in this video. So today I'm just going to be trying out this Miss Jessie's multicultural curls, if it will focus, yeah, right here. And I first found this out through Zendaya because she actually did like a YouTube video about it. It was in one of my suggestion things and I just clicked on it just to see what she used. And after then I did more research and I was glad to find out that it is cruelty free. So me trying to get into more of like the eco-friendly hair products and stuff, I wanted to try it out for myself. What I did already though was I spritzed my hair with water and I put in my leave-in conditioner, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner. If it will focus, don't know why it's not. But yeah, that's all I did now. And then next I'm just going to be putting in my African's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. Again, kind of like if you guys have watched my other videos, I don't really care the type of oil I put in my hair as long as I put one in, because since I have been oiling my hair a lot, I've seen such a great difference in my hair because it's never not moisturized. Because usually my hair is always kind of dry, but throughout the day my hair stays moisturized. Even if I don't put oil in it for like a couple of days, my hair just stays great and moisturized and a little oily. And I absolutely love that because that's what I want for my hair. So if you guys don't have an oil in your hair routine, I definitely recommend it. Really anyone is fine, but you know, if you want to stick to like your natural like tea tree oil and argan oil and what else is there? I forgot the other one. Castor oil, yeah. Those are like the main kind of oils. And I'm doing the LOC method. This method just works the best for my hair. And I'm doing my hair, so I split down in the middle and I'm doing 3 sections per section. 3 sections per half. Alright, so after that I'm going to be putting in my multicultural curls. I've never used this before. It's kind of creamy. It looks a little bit like cocoa butter. It smells, I don't know, it smells kind of perfumey, I think. Yeah, and usually like souffles work better in my hair, so we'll see how this works. Like creams and stuff work, but souffles I found are just the best for my hair. And so I'm just gonna work this through, and it feels great. It feels amazing, actually. It feels very moisturized. Alright, that section 1 is done. These are how my curls look like if it will focus. They're a little bit bigger. They're a little clumpier than what they usually are. And it's not because I did clump them together. I do usually do that, and these actually seem a lot thicker. So yeah. And something about me and my hair, day 1 isn't always the best. Typically like day 2 and day 3 is where my hair starts to like shine. And during like 2nd day and 3rd day hair, I will repeat this process, but instead of doing like 3 sections each, I will do just only split my hair into 4 sections and then do that. But since I'm starting out, I like to get the product in as much hair as I can, and I find that parting my hair in multiple ways or like multiple sections is just what's better for me to do on the first day. And then from throughout the next couple of days, I don't part my hair so much. I just do, like, again, those 4 sections. Alright, y'all, so I finished doing my curly hair routine. I really like the results that I'm seeing now. My hair feels so smooth, like really super smooth. Let me fix that. I'm actually kind of surprised for some reason. Don't know why, but I really like the results. Like my curls are popping, everything looks nice. The only thing that I do not like is and I know it's normal, but I try to like avoid products that do this to my hair, which is like the white cast over my hair, like when it's drying. I hate when my hair does that. Some products my hair does that. I mean, some products make my hair do that. Some products I don't have that at all. So that's the only thing that I don't like, because my hair takes forever to dry and I don't have a diffuser, which I was supposed to get for my sister for Christmas, but yeah, I don't see it. Amber, hello. Just kidding, but not really. So yeah, I don't have a diffuser, so I just let my hair air dry, and it takes kind of a while for it to air dry, and which means like this cast will be on my hair for quite some time. But you know, that's, again, that is normal for my hair. So I'm not like a big stickler about it, but other than that, I actually really enjoy this product. Like, again, my hair just feels super smooth and hydrated and moisturized. But yeah, this is my hair. I'll show you guys the back. So how everything is looking now, I would definitely purchase this again. Again, it is vegan and cruelty free, which is what drew me to it. It has no parabens, no pepperine, no mineral oil. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and then I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Hey guys, so it's been like about 4 days since I recorded the video, and as promised, I'm coming back here to show you all my results. As I said, the more I do this process, the better my hair like obtains the products and the better my curl pattern gets. But as you guys can see, my curls are a lot, excuse me, more defined. I just had a Coke, I'm sorry. My curls are a lot more defined. The product is well absorbed. My hair is completely dry. It's well absorbed in my hair. 2 things that I will mention. 1, shrinkage. I have tried a whole bunch of curly hair products, and usually my hair gets major shrinkage, but with this, it's actually is not that bad. Like, my hair is this long, like collarbone width, kind of stretched out, and it looks longer than it typically is. And I'm not sure if that's just because my hair actually grew, or is it the products. Maybe it's a combination of both, but I really love how this doesn't shrivel my hair up a lot. The second thing that I will mention is, I almost forgot, how light this product is. Even though I was using a leave-in conditioner and an oil, my hair still feels super light and like airy. Like, I feel like I don't have any hair on my head. Like, I have to touch my head to say, okay, my hair is still there. Like, it's like ridiculous how lightweight this product is. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any comments, if you have any questions, concerns, if you want to ask me any questions like I just said, or if you want to tell me something, you're always welcome to leave something in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave requests if you guys want to see other video. I think I'm mainly sticking to like hair and skincare videos for now, but if you guys have anything that you want me to branch out to, I would definitely try my best. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.